Hi everyone, my name is Eva from Volvo Cars Oakville. Today I wanted to discuss the importance of tires.
Tires are one of the most important parts of your car. After all, they're the only point of contact between the car and the road. Having worn or damaged tires will jeopardize your safety under most conditions, especially rain. One easy way to check the condition of your tire is to take a quarter, flip it upside down with the queen's crown facing down. If you can see the top of the queen's crown, this means the tire is below 2/32 and it's time to be replaced. You can also do this with a toonie, with the polar bear's paws facing down. If you can still see the letters, this means the tire needs to be replaced. The tire should be replaced if you notice any damage, especially on the sidewall. If you see a bulge, cut, or hole, you should drive in a more cautious manner and book an appointment with us to get a new set of tires installed. Safety is a core belief for Volvo, so it's important to make sure the car is as safe as it can be. If you are in need of tires, you should book an appointment as soon as you can. To book an appointment, you can use the Volvo Cars app on your phone, or if you're on a computer, you can visit volvocarsoakville.com. Finally, if you prefer, you can give us a call at 905-825-8088. Thank you for watching, and remember, at Volvo Cars Oakville, we're here to redefine your driving experience.